about Don Bell?
Yes, I think we answered this question earlier, that this is our first time traveling together nga. And one thing that I am really looking forward to is eating yung sa may mga food carts sa gilid.
Cute.
Yeah, yun.
New York.
Yeah, New York, because I'm watching a show na may ganun nga, and Suits. I'm watching Suits now. And yun, sobrang na-excite ako kasi first time ko nga gagawin yun.
Oh, Donnie, handa mo na yung plano mo. How about you, Donnie?
Feeling ko po kasi, well, the mere fact na first time namin mag-abroad, and the mere fact na ang tagal namin nandito sa Pilipinas, we haven't gotten the chance to go abroad because of the pandemic and everything. I think everything will be memorable. Like as simple as walking in the street in a different country, seeing the different cultures, being able to eat in different restaurants, being able to perform in front of a different crowd. Yung August po, it's a very overwhelming but grateful schedule for me and Belle kasi after this US tour, we go straight here for the Araneta of He's Into Her.
Wow.
So it's like a whole month of just seeing our supporters, being able to give back all the love that they've been giving us this past years. So maraming salamat. We can't wait to see you guys. And ayun, lahat ng memories magiging memorable talaga.
Tsaka don't forget the plane ride. Isa sa mga
Yes,
inaabangan
yun
din niya, di ba?
Yung amoy ng airport, tsaka yung amoy ng plane.
Sana may naaamoy. Diba?
Huwag naman.
Kailangan
Bakit
yun.
yung ganyang biro?
Yan yung hinanap ko nung nag-show ako sa Dubai eh. Yung amoy ng Dubai.
Yan.
Never have I ever kinakabahan kapag order ng food sa fast food restaurant. Dati. Kinakabahan ako. Pero ngayon, feeling ko hindi. Dati talaga, as in, kahit saan, or tatawagin lang, mag-ask ka ng yung for the waiter. Kinakabahan ako, hindi ko alam bakit. Pero ngayon, okay na. Never have I ever umamin ng feeling sa crush. Ay, never. Never. Never have I ever pinulot ang nakitang Nawala. Pera? Hindi. Never. Nahulugan ng cellphone sa mukha dahil antok. Always. Always. Never have I ever kumuha ng pera sa magulang. Ma. Ma, I'm sorry, ma. Yeah, I have. Before. But hindi naman ganun ka... Okay. Like, siguro mga 5 or 6 pa lang siguro ako. Or 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yun. Kumukuha ako ng 100, gano'n. 50, yan. 1,000. Joke lang. Never have I ever kumain habang nag-lecture yung teacher. Yes. Before, ginagawa ko, sabihin, okay, di nyo to natutunan sa akin. Joke lang. Okay, before, kapag kunyari, merong class, sabihin ko mag-washroom ako. Alam ko ang sama nun, pero pumunta ako ng canteen minsan. Tapos yung skirt ko kasi, meron siyang pocket sa right side. Tapos naglalagay ako ng food doon. Tapos pabalik na ako class. Tapos yun. Ganon. Belle, what if my boyfriend ako tapos hindi ako tanggap ng pamilya niya? Huh? Or vice versa, like my family doesn't accept him. #girl talk. Ano ba? Sa partner mo din yun eh. Kailangan niyang ipakita dun sa family niya or vice versa. Pakita mo sa family mo na ano yung nakita mo sa taong yun para tanggapin siya ng pamilya niya or pamilya mo. Diba? Opinion ko lang po to. Pero yun, I think nasa partner mo rin yun. Pero syempre, always your best. Dapat pakita mo lagi yung best foot mo, yung best version ng self mo. Yeah, and it's not just you there. Since you guys are together, it's a teamwork. And your partner as well has to put that effort na ipakita niya din kung anong mga nagustuhan niya sa'yo para magustuhan din siya ng family niya. Yun. Kay Chaunu at Gail Max Zin, question, will you forgive someone na naging dahilan kung bakit ang daming di magandang nangyari sa buhay mo? It's for me, but I just want some opinion or advice coming from you. I think the burden will be harder for you pag hindi mo siya napatawad. Mas magiging mahirap kasi alam mo yun, bit mo eh. So, alam kong madali siyang sabihin pero mahirap gawin. Really just takes time. Take your time to heal, and once you're ready to forgive that person, forgive them. Sa dami-dami ng kasalanan nating tao, ako personally, napatawad ako ng Diyos. So, napatawad ka ng Diyos, kaya mo rin magpatawad. Yeah.
Wala man lang. Wow! So, okay na.
Reaction mo. 1, 2, 3, go. Wow!
Overreacting. We are over. It's my own accent.
Why are you talking like that? Really nice.
Just why we're here.
Could it be
A
fate?
random circumstance.
Hindi ata TikTok na abutan mo.
Ay, di ba? Ano pala yun musically? What do I feel? Meron pong dal sa dollhouse dito. Ayan, no? Shout outs. See out.